The energy that surrounds us, the aura, is a canvas on which our thoughts, emotions, and experiences paint the story of our lives. Marcus Yee. Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. You're here because you believe, just like we do, that every day holds the potential for greatness. In this video, we're diving deep into strategies that will not only inspire you, but also empower you to unlock your fullest potential. So, get ready to transform your dreams into reality. Let's begin on this journey together, where every step forward is a step towards achieving your best self. Stay tuned, because this is where your transformation begins. Have you ever felt like there's an unseen force surrounding you, a shimmering field of energy that reflects your every thought, emotion, and experience? What if I told you that this isn't just a feeling, but a reality acknowledged across various cultures and spiritual traditions? This invisible mantle, known as your aura, holds the key to unlocking profound transformations within yourself. But how much do you really know about it? And more importantly, how can you harness its power to enhance your life? Today, we start on an extraordinary journey into the heart of aura transformation, exploring ancient wisdom and modern techniques that promise not just to alter the way you perceive your own energy field, but to revolutionize your entire being. From breathing techniques that infuse your aura with vitality to mystical practices that connect you with the universe's vast energies, we'll uncover the secrets to making your aura a magnet for positivity, well-being, and spiritual growth. So are you ready to transform your aura and with it your life? Let's dive into the unseen and discover the luminous potential that lies within you. The concept of the aura transcends cultures, time, and geography, serving as a universal symbol of the energy that emanates from all living beings. Imagine a glowing halo that envelops you, shifting in color and intensity with every thought, emotion, and experience. This is not mere fantasy, it is a representation deeply rooted in various spiritual traditions and metaphysical theories that suggest our physical, emotional, and spiritual health is reflected in the aura's vibrancy. Understanding the aura requires us to venture beyond the tangible. It is believed to comprise several layers, each connected to different aspects of our being. These layers encapsulate our physical state, emotional energy, mental activity, and even deeper spiritual insights. The colors of the aura, ranging from the grounding reds to the intuitive purples, offer a palette from which we can read our strengths, weaknesses, and potential for growth. But what if we could actively transform this aura, enhancing its brightness and purity to improve our overall well-being? The manipulation of the aura is not a new concept. It has roots stretching back to ancient civilizations, where priests, shamans, and healers were believed to possess the knowledge to cleanse, strengthen, and protect the aura. From the mystic practices of the Egyptians and the meditative techniques of the Buddhists to the shamanic rituals of the indigenous tribes, each tradition offers a piece of the puzzle in understanding how our energies can be harnessed and directed for personal transformation. In recent times, this wisdom has not waned, but instead found new expressions through a blend of age-old practices and contemporary approaches. The increasing interest in holistic wellness and spiritual growth has sparked a resurgence in aura-related practices, making it more relevant than ever in our quest for balance and harmony in our lives. The technique of regulated breathing is important to aura transformation. The idea that even something as basic as breathing can have such a significant effect on our energetic field is amazing. In the yogic tradition, specific breathing exercises called pranayama are intended to dissolve obstructions in our energy channels, bringing vibrancy and clarity to the aura. Deep, rhythmic breathing is used in these exercises to oxygenate the body, soothe the mind, and create a radiant aura that draws beneficial energy and repels negative ones. Meditation offers another avenue for aura transformation. Through focused thought and deep relaxation, meditation allows us to tap into the innermost layers of our aura, cleansing it of impurities and reinforcing its strength. Visualization techniques, often used in conjunction with meditation, empower us to imagine our aura expanding, brightening, and being infused with healing light. This practice not only enhances our aura, but also aligns our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves, leading to profound inner peace and outward harmony. Beyond the realm of breath and meditation lie physical rituals designed to cleanse and purify the aura. These rituals, drawing on elements such as water, herbs, and crystals, serve as physical manifestations of our intent to clear and protect our energy field. A simple ritual might involve bathing in salt water to draw out negativity, or surrounding oneself with specific crystals believed to have aura cleansing properties. Such practices, rooted in the natural world, remind us of our deep connection to the earth and its ability to heal and rejuvenate our spiritual selves. While we start on this exploration of aura transformation, it's essential to approach with an open mind and a willing heart. The techniques and concepts we've introduced are but a starting point, a foundation upon which you can build your personalized practice. Remember, the transformation of the aura is a deeply personal journey, one that reflects your unique energy and spiritual path. Whether through breath, meditation, or ritual, the potential for profound change lies within your grasp, offering a path to enhanced well-being, spiritual awareness, and a harmonious balance between body, mind, and spirit. In the area of unseen energies that envelop us, our aura stands as a testament to our inner health and spirit. It's a complex yet delicate field that reflects our physical, emotional, and spiritual states. Through ancient wisdom and modern practices, we discover powerful methods to transform our aura, fostering well-being and spiritual growth. Breathing techniques derived from ancient traditions offer a simple yet profound way to cleanse our aura. These practices, involving controlled breaths, infuse our energy field with vitality, clearing away negativity and enhancing our overall aura's brightness. Meditation and visualization go hand in hand as tools for aura transformation. They allow us to dive deep into our energetic layers, purifying and strengthening our aura. By envisioning our aura filled with light, we align our inner and outer selves, promoting a state of harmony. Physical rituals, utilizing elements like water, herbs, and crystals, serve as tangible methods to cleanse and protect our aura. These practices connect us with the earth's healing energies, aiding in the rejuvenation of our spiritual selves. Energy work, including practices like Reiki and Qigong, taps into the universal life force to directly influence our aura. These techniques channel energy to balance and energize our aura, deepening our connection to the world's energies. Sigil creation and astral projection represent advanced practices within aura manipulation. Sigils focus our intentions to manifest specific changes in our aura, while astral projection offers profound spiritual insights and healing, further influencing our aura's state. Each practice, from the foundational to the advanced, offers unique benefits to our aura, and by extension, our lives. The journey of aura transformation is deeply personal, requiring an open heart and a curious mind. As we explore these practices, we foster a deeper connection with ourselves and the energies that surround us, leading to a harmonious and spiritually enriched life. Integrating aura transformation practices into daily life begins with setting intentions. Intentions act as guiding lights, helping us focus our efforts and energies on the path to wellness and spiritual growth. Whether it's through morning meditation sessions, nightly breathing exercises, or carrying a sigil as a reminder of our goals, the consistent application of these practices deepens their impact on our aura and our life. The beauty of aura work lies in its flexibility and adaptability to our unique needs and circumstances. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, we're encouraged to listen to our intuition and select practices that resonate with us personally. This might mean adopting a simple meditation routine for some, while others might be drawn to the more tangible aspects of crystal healing or the dynamic movements of Qigong. As we journey through the realm of aura transformation, it's natural to encounter skepticism, both from within and from others. Skepticism can serve as a healthy mechanism for inquiry, prompting us to question, explore, and deepen our understanding of these practices. It's crucial, however, to distinguish between constructive skepticism and outright dismissal. Keeping an open mind allows us to experience the full benefits of aura work while also remaining grounded in our personal truths and experiences. Facing challenges, be they internal doubts or external skepticism, is part of the journey. It's through these challenges that we grow, refining our practices and understanding of the aura. We learn to trust our experiences, validated not just by the changes in our aura, but by the profound impact on our overall well-being and outlook on life. A crucial ally in the quest for aura modification is mindfulness. We are able to fully engage in every practice, bringing a sense of focus and presence to our work because of mindfulness. This doesn't mean every session will be profound or transformative in obvious ways. Rather, it's the cumulative effect of these practices, done mindfully over time, that leads to significant change. We're reminded to approach aura work with a sense of humility and respect, recognizing it as a sacred journey towards greater self-awareness and spiritual connection. As we continue to explore and integrate these practices, we're encouraged to share our experiences, contributing to a collective understanding and appreciation of the intricate dance between energy, spirit, and transformation. As we conclude our exploration of aura transformation techniques, we're reminded that this journey is one without a definitive end. The aura, a dynamic and ever-changing field, reflects the continuous evolution of our being. Through the practices we've explored, we equip ourselves with the tools to navigate this evolution, fostering an aura that not only shines brightly, but also harmonizes with the world around us. The path of aura transformation is rich with possibilities, offering each of us the opportunity to explore, discover, and ultimately transform not just our aura, but our entire existence. With each step, we're invited to delve deeper into the mysteries of our energetic essence, accepting the changes and challenges as opportunities for growth and enlightenment. In this journey, we are both students and teachers, learning from our experiences and sharing our insights with others. Together, we contribute to a greater understanding and appreciation of the subtle yet powerful realm of energy that surrounds and permeates us. As we move forward, let us carry with us the lessons learned, the practices embraced, and the spirit of exploration that has guided us thus far, ready to face the future with open hearts and illuminated auras.